Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Go to Go channel for the latest job opportunities and career tips. Are you someone who is passionate about artificial intelligence, skilled in Python, Node.js, and dream of working at a top international bank? Then you don't want to miss this incredible opportunity at NatWest Group, which is one of the top financial company in the world. So, Again, welcome back to our channel for the notes for daily job updates. And If you are new here, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates because we bring three important hidings daily on this particular YouTube channel. So now let's dive into the job details for this particular role. So as you can see, the job is software engineering and artificial intelligence, and it's a full-time hybrid opportunity based out of Chennai locations, which is in India, of course, Tamil Nadu state. And the key responsibilities for this particular role is going to be basically what you will be doing at this organization. As you can see, they are mentioned over here. So you'll be basically working on customer-centric, high-performance, secure and scalable AI solutions, collaborating in a future team with engineers, architects, and business analysts. Along with that, you'll also use your skills in Python, Node.js, LLMs, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and more. You'll also contribute across the full software development lifecycle from design to deployment. Plus, you'll be a part of a company committed to flexible work, hybrid setup, and innovations. So skills and qualifications required for this particular role is going to be 3 years hands of experience in AI, data science, or related fields, along with proficiency in Python, Node.js, plus good knowledge of LLMs, which is large language models, and real-world AI applications. Plus, you should also be expected to have the experience with TensorFlow, PyTorch, REST APIs, and microservices architectures. You'll also have to be familiar with DevOps and Agile and testing methodologies, and also bachelor degree is mandatory, especially in computer science or related field. So these are some of the requirements they are expecting from you if you want to join this particular group. So why once you join NatWest Group? So basically, NatWest is a group is not just a bank; it's a global tech forward organization driving the future of digital finance. So why once you join this particular organization, you already understood. So now let's understand what you will love at NatWest Group. So you'll get collaborative and innovative environment along with world-class training and development, plus competitive salary and benefits along with work-life balance with hybrid working options. You'll also get the opportunity to work on cutting-edge AI projects. So these are some of the benefits of working at NatWest Group. This is your chance to join the one of the most expected financial institutions and work on technologies that shape the banking experience for millions of people. So how you can apply? Just head to the link in descriptions. They have mentioned direct link for this particular job. So just go and apply as soon as possible before the deadline. The deadline for this job they have not mentioned because they are continuously hiring for this particular organizations. So consider applying on priority basis so that your applications can be considered. So yeah, this was all about the wonderful opportunity I just shared with you guys. So don't forget to apply for this wonderful opportunity because this is one of the top opportunity that is going on currently. So yeah, this was all about this wonderful opportunity. If you found this video about helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Comment below if you have any questions regarding the job applications or any other doubt regarding resumes or other related doubts. Don't feel free to comment below, and also you can share this with your friends, colleagues who might be interested into this perfect fit. I mean this perfect opportunity. So this was all about that. You can also join our Telegram communities, Telegram and WhatsApp community channels and groups where we share more and more jobs for this tech jobs, non-tech jobs, and finance related jobs as well. So do join on priority basis. And yes, this was all about that. Go check it out and apply as soon as possible. I wish you all the best with your applications. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.